Okay, I wasn't really expecting on doing a video on this, so I was just going to do it. But I'm making some kind of crafty benches. But they were this, they are, and this one is a bit warped. But I'm taking the warp out. The other thing is, it had a lot of oil here. I don't think it's treated lumber per se. I think it just had a really gross stain on it. But I'm using a power planer and I am waxing the base, which is really helping to allow it to slide. So I recommend that. As you can see, I have two Bessie clamps holding on to just a piece of trim scrap. And what that does is it's basically turned the table into a giant bench hook. I can just put a piece of wood up against it and cut. So let me show you how I'm doing that. Putting on my hearing protection. I just want to shave off this gross oil that's on here right now. You can see there's still, it's going away, there's still some left. Yeah. You gotta be careful. I'm holding onto the cord. It should have been hanging out of the knob because I just kind of scalloped this out. But as you can see, it's pretty quick in terms of taking it down, cleaning up whatever that junk was. I'm going to do this edge real quick here. You want to make sure that as the planer is going through, you push on the back of it to keep the blade here from, it's a drum shape, from just biting in and giving you a scoop. But the idea is to make it look vintage and beat up. And so I think I accomplished that. I wasn't expecting to trim the side here, but let's see how this works. Flip it around, get a better angle of attack. I might as well do the other side. So, as you can see, the bench hook's working pretty well so far. So there is a foot on the back of the planer here. So when you set it down, it keeps the drum, gives it a bit of a lift. That just swings out of the way on this particular model. And so I'm gonna just check for level here, kind of see if I got all the twists out. It seems kind of good. It certainly brought a lot of color out of it I didn't expect. I didn't see this red in it at all. But so anyways, that is, even if you're going to send this through a thickness planer, it helps take a lot of the dirt and stuff that'll ding up your blades. The blades on this guy are, they're small, they're cheap to replace, less than 20 bucks a set, and then you can turn them around. So anyways, if you're thinking about doing stuff with reclaimed lumber, I would recommend finding one of these. You can probably get one used, beat it up. Don't spend too much money on it. And it makes a lot of shavings in a hurry. So I've got this, and I've got, I don't know, like 5 more boards to just sort of take the twist out. Let me do a twisted board real quick if I've got one. If I need to just shave this down just in this area, I pull the foot back, get up to speed. And just like that, I've got a board that's not hopping around anymore, twisting. So quick and easy. Just don't go too quickly. I'm kind of running along here because I'm kind of in a hurry to get these done and kind of on to getting the legs into them. But if you take your time and you can adjust the depth of cut from a little bit to about 1/8 of an inch or more, and then you can really kind of dial them in. And that way, if you want to sand them down or hand plane them, it's a huge time saver. So hope this helps. Please like and subscribe, etc., etc., etc. Thanks for watching.